Brad Williams, XL prime, square root. This will be short and sweet. What I want to point out here is this negative number over here. We know square root is just simply square root. But we run into a number deal. And over here, this is a questionable move where you want to put the square root in the absolute and throw in a positive. Here's a suggestion using if error. If error over here and just put a blank. Why? Because if you start manipulating this, this will turn into $5 or $5.43. Clearly there's a reason for this negative 30, and you want to skew it by throwing in now a positive number. Look, the data is there for a reason. You either need to, and again, striking out, removing outliers is definitely a no-no in stats. You don't want to do that. It's there for a reason. You can either put a 0 there, or you can remove that outlier, but justify it. Anyway, that's one means. You could also do an if statement, and in 971, I detail it. But otherwise, square root, straightforward. You want examples right here, but there's enough examples here. And there's no F9. So anyway, that's just a suggestion. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Williams out.